Got a Christmas present from the owner of the HVAC company. So let's exit stage left and see what that is. He said he's been saving this for me. Pretty cool. Never seen a coil this big before. Come on, focus. So I have a 5-ton system. Way bigger than one you'd get out of your house. This is like the stuff you'd like quit your job over. I almost don't want to scrap it. I want to like put it on a trophy case, man. Let's check it out. Man, this thing's a beast. Here's my drill next to it for a size comparison. Now that's a big one. Alright, we're all done taking it apart. Sorry about the shadow in the video. Alright, first of all, here's what we got. We got some brass. Here's all the copper. Here's these big monster coils. Cool, cool. There's the sheet iron. So now let's weigh this all up and see how much this thing's actually worth. Alright, we're going to start with this piece of brass here. Throw it on. 0.78, so just under a pound. So at $1.90 pound, that's probably like $1. Now for the steel, throw it on there. All right, let's see. 6.32, so we'll just say 6 pounds of steel. All right, now let's get these coils on there. I'll take a peek. 31.6. Can you see it? Is it showing up? All right, let's try it at a different angle. Let's see. 31.6. Nothing changed. All right, now let's do this copper. Throw the bucket on. Zero out the weight of the bucket. There we go. All right, I'm going to call this all number 2 copper just to make it easier to add it up and stuff. Here we go. Scale stuck on hold. Let's get it on hold. 5.98. We'll just say 6 because we probably lost some noodles. Alright, and here's what this thing is worth at current prices. With that steel, we had 6 pounds at 100 a ton, so we got 30 cents. That piece of brass was under a pound, so we'll go with $1. Copper was 6 pounds at $2.90, so $17.40, and the coils, 31 pounds at $1.45, $44.95. Grand total, $63.65.